So you may have just picked up your Bose headphones and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to go ahead and use these particular headphones. Now, they're very basic, they don't really take too much time to really understand, but to get started, the very first thing you're going to want to do is to understand how these headphones hold up on the outside. Each pair of Bose headphones can be a little different, but the structure of these ones are basically the same, where on the outside you basically have your head top right here. You have your adjustable sides right here, so you can adjust them up and down if you need them to be a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. You can adjust them right there. And then you also have your cushions right here. Now the cushions tell you right on the inside whether they're on the right side or the left side, so you can kind of configure it out, make sure you put them on the right sides. And then on the sides of them, you do have some buttons. So on the right side of them, you do have this particular button set right here. This is like a power button and a Bluetooth button. So you can slide it to the side and you can get it basically into Bluetooth mode as well as your speakers on the side. You have a cool little buttons on the left side too. So you have a volume up button and a volume down button. Then you also have a little button in the middle for playing and pausing songs. A little light indicator as well as a charging port right here. When you need to charge your headphones, you can do that right here. On the other side, you have this little button here, which allows you to do, I think it's like for active noise cancellation and things like that. And then you also have your headphone jack right over here as well. So if you ever need to plug in headphones, you can do that here. Now, to pair up these headphones over to really any device, it's very basic. All you want to do is you want to make your way over to the settings application of that device that you have. So in this case, I have a iPhone right here. I can click onto the settings application right over here. I can come right into my standard headphones, right? Now, if I want to go and pair them up, it's pretty basic. All I have to do is just go ahead and sync these up. So slide this indicator to the right side, and it will allow me to go and kind of pair it up with my device. So if I do it again, I can also hold it down on that side too if I want to completely repair it. And then you'll see this light turn to blue right there. And then at that point, I can go and completely reconnect these things here if I really need to. In this case, I won't need to at all, but you can go ahead and do that if you really, really want to. Now, if you do have an iPhone or Android, you can go ahead and download the Bose Connect application or just the Bose application like this one, and it will allow you to get a little bit more capability inside of your headphones. So this could be kind of a nice thing for some people. If you really want to get access to it, you can go through and kind of configure it this way, and this might be something that some people might really want, so I'd probably recommend to kind of think about doing this as well. So for the most part, that is how you use your Bose headphones. There's really not much else to it. There's a lot of cool stuff to keep in mind here, but for the most part, the more you use them, the more you'll get used to them, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. So in terms of that, that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.